Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA is a hugely popular Amazon program. FBA is a large number of benefits for sellers. Firstly, it is pay as you go system. You can store one item for 1 month and only be charged for the storage and any delivery cost on that item. There were no long-term contracts to sign. There are no charges for taking in delivery and there were no contract that you have to sign. Items which are fulfillment by Amazon get preference in the buy box, so all other things being equal, if your item was fulfilled by Amazon, it will get higher buy box percentage. Items which are fulfillment by Amazon are Prime eligible. For example, they will have the Prime badge. Customers who are Prime member will be able to get free delivery on FB item as a part of their Prime membership. And if they select on the search for Prime only item, then the FB item will appear if you select it. Amazon will do your customer services for you if the item is an FBA item. Amazon provides a range of inventory management and reporting tools for FBA. This will enable you to manage the stock you send it to the Amazon and see how well your sales are going. Also managing your pricing. Finally, FBA is an international service. You can run FBA in your home country or you could also choose to do in international countries. So say if you are a UK seller or you could send item to Japan, and obviously there will be a certain tax and regulation issues, but you could use FBA to fulfill your Japanese order, or you could send your item to Europe into say Germany and they will be the part of European fulfillment network, and your item could be fulfillment all through the Europe as prime eligible order. So let's have a quick look at how FBA item appear on Amazon itself. There is a listing for an that will 𝗕𝗘𝗟𝗢𝗪, and if we have look here at the office which are available, we can see down here obviously there is Amazon one which have been dispatched from Amazon warehouse. But if we scroll down here, we can see this one here dispatched from Amazon, but it is served by Cassette Global, so that the FBA fulfillment order. If we go to the filter at top here, we can filter for prime eligible order, and I think I will see that this one, this case, a global one is actually a prime eligible order and it is appearing under that filter. It will also appear under the free delivery filter as well.